Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier Household Absorption Indoor Dry Dehumidifier is a remarkable solution for tackling humidity issues in various indoor spaces, such as bathrooms and basements. Designed with efficiency and simplicity in mind, this dehumidifier effectively reduces excess moisture, creating a more comfortable and healthier environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its compact and portable design. It is lightweight, making it easy to move from one room to another as needed. Whether you need to combat humidity in a damp basement or prevent mold and mildew in a bathroom, this unit is versatile enough to handle both tasks. The sleek design allows it to blend seamlessly into any room without taking up too much space. Performance-wise, the absorption technology utilized by this dehumidifier is impressive. It efficiently absorbs moisture from the air, significantly reducing humidity levels. Users will appreciate how quickly it begins to show results, often within just a few hours of operation. In addition, the dehumidifier operates quietly, ensuring that it won't disturb your daily activities or sleep. Maintenance is also straightforward. The unit features an easy-to-remove water tank that collects the extracted moisture, and it alerts users when it's full. This feature eliminates the need for constant monitoring, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. For those concerned about energy consumption, this dehumidifier is designed to be energy efficient, ensuring that it won't cause a spike in your electricity bill. While the unit excels in several areas, it may not be suitable for extremely large spaces due to its compact design. Users with expansive basements or large bathrooms might need multiple units for optimal results. Overall, the Dehumidifier Household Absorption Indoor Dry Dehumidifier is a reliable and effective solution for anyone looking to reduce indoor humidity and improve air quality in their home. Its combination of efficiency, portability, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a comfortable living environment.